Today's video, I'm doing a DIY in a collaboration. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe, and this is your first time visiting my channel. Welcome. I am so glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below and give your girl a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am co-hosting a collaboration. Now the title of this collaboration is Fall Dollar Tree DIY Extravaganza 2020. And our host for this collaboration is Shushana of Regal Designs by Shushana. And her co-hosts are myself, Stephanie, of Creatively MsMe with Stephanie, Tamara at Love My Babies Forever, Moondas at Moondas Life Homemade, Bianca at Dolly Awesome Crafts, Kiki at Kiki DIYs, Tammy at Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Tangie at Home Decor, DIYs, and more with Tangie Webb. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist and the proper protocol for collaborations. We all be listed below in the description box. Now, all we asked you to do was to do a fall DIY. 1 to 3, it's up to you, and show your work on your DIY. And also we asked you to use the hashtag, which I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag Fall DIY Extravaganza 2020. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I did for this collaboration, you know what to do. Stick around. All right, I'm going to get started. I'm going to show you the items that I will be using to do this DIY. Is Pinterest inspired, because remember, your girl is not a DIYer. Now all these flowers, of course, came from the Dollar Tree. Now I picked out some very pretty colors because they have a lot of beautiful flowers this season for fall. I'm using the foam. I always recycle. Recycle is the key. And I'm using this bucket that I purchased years ago from Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance when I purchased it. Now I'm going to use this twist tie that I have, the pipe cleaner, recycle. And then I'm using these ribbons that were from another bow I did from last year. Recycle. I try to recycle my ribbon as much as I can until I can't use it anymore. Budget friendly. And I have this black and white ribbon that I did purchase from Amazon. Now I'm going to stop talking and I'm just going to let you watch as I create this whole flower arrangement. Now I'm fiddling around with the bow to make sure that the ribbon hangs the way I want it. I kind of, because it has wire in it, I kind of fold it to give it the crinkle look like I like. But I did add the berries in. I didn't have the berries originally. I did add those in to give it a little bit more, I guess, kick to it. Now here is my finished Pinterest inspired flower arrangement. I think it came out pretty cute. I'm liking the vibe, the whole vibe, because it's going along with what I'm doing this season for fall. So I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, leave me a message down below and let me know. I love reading your responses. And don't forget to click the playlist down below and see the other participants in this collaboration. Now again, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe saying you be blessed.